Our strategy is simply to be ahead of the curve to mitigate while we don't have significant community spread in Arkansas.
The number of coronavirus cases continues to rise in the United States. We hope you're safe tonight. Thanks for joining us. I'm Ashley Ketz.
Hello, good evening. I'm Bob Clausen. The total number of positive COVID-19 cases for the state of Arkansas now sits at 22. That's 6 more than what the governor announced only 24 hours ago.
And there were plenty of other big announcements that came out of that today. Our Rochelle Turner is with us tonight with the latest. Rochelle?
Well, Bob and Ashley, good evening to you. Things are constantly changing when it comes to the coronavirus. Leaders across the state and President Donald Trump urging people not to panic. Stores will still be open, and the president says a vaccine is now in phase 1 of clinical trials.
It has been a very busy morning.
Today, Governor Asa Hutchinson announcing 6 new cases, and for the first time, 2 of those positive cases are outside of the central Arkansas area and Cleburne County, bringing the total number to 22. State leaders say testing for COVID-19 will increase dramatically this week in the state.
As we receive those tests, they go to commercial labs. That information comes back to our Department of Health. We also will have our Department of Health doing daily testing. They expanded their capacity, and then UAMS is developing their testing capacity as well.
The economy taking a hit because more people are staying at home.
Over the long term, you know, it's our restaurants that are going to suffer. It's going to be the entertainment venues.
Governor Asa Hutchinson giving his guidance according to the CDC for the state of Arkansas at 11 this morning from Fayetteville.
Our restaurants, I would discourage them to have more than 50 congregated in small areas, but our restaurants can be spaced out in a way that we can safely dine, we can safely exercise good health practices in that environment.
In Little Rock, Mayor Frank Scott Jr. enforcing a citywide curfew that will start on Wednesday from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. All city facilities will be closed to the public.
We are a very resilient city. We are a very smart city. We will get through this. This is our journey right now, and we will navigate through this journey. But we have to do this together as a united Little Rock.
Around 3 this afternoon, the White House says Americans should now avoid gatherings of 10 or more people during the outbreak. You should avoid visiting bars and restaurants in person, and it's best to avoid travel right now.
If everyone makes this change or these critical changes and sacrifices now, we will rally together as one nation and we will defeat the virus, and we're going to have a big celebration all together.
President Trump also predicted the virus outbreak could be over by July or August. Back to you.